gadget which is small in size rather than a computer or laptop na medyo mabigat so which is mas inconvenient. Okay? So unlike in mobile phone, so people want a smaller gadget, smaller but powerful gadget, something like that. So if you remember that, so before, so most of the phones so maliliit, so paliitan, yung mga tertiary Nokia, yung mga merong una malalaki, 3210, paliit ng paliit, hanggang sa 8210, yung mga 8250 na maliliit na. So pero pag smaller, the higher the price or the mas expensive, so parang gano'n. So because actually, based on the trending, people want smaller devices. So but they want more features. So like what we have today, right? So limited memory. So of course, mobile device also have small memory. So both RAM and direct disk. So that's why if we will be developing applications, programs, or games in mobile phones, so what we usually do is we use optimized versions. So of those, let's say, of those software for mobile devices. So of course we could not be able to deploy what we could deploy on our computers. So of course, as we said, mobile phones have limited memory, have smaller memory, so rather than the computers. Okay. So like for example, if you will be using some data storage, so data storage in your application. So let's say you will be using a database so that you will be able to store some data. So of course, if you will do that, so in your mobile application development, so what you're going to do is you're going to use an optimized version of that software. So rather than using what is available on the market. So of course, as we said, as it is presented on our presentation, so mobile devices have limited memory, so both the RAM and secondary disk. So you could not store what you would store on computers, right? So maybe by the next few years or by the next few generations, so that will come into reality. We could be able to have a mobile phone that could store data or information that we could store on the computer. So as we all know, technology is progressing. So before, I actually have a hard disk before, which is something like 4 gig. Hard disk yun, 4 gig. So, but ngayon, so if you will look at the available devices, storage devices, so yung 4 gig na yun, flash disk lang yun. Diba? Maliit pa nga yung tutusin kung marami kang nilalagay ng mga files. Right? So, usually mga 8 gig, so 16 gig or 32 gig. So, but before, so the sizes or the capacity of what we have flash disk nowadays, capacity na noon, so siguro mga 10 years ago, capacity or 15 years ago, capacity na noon, mga hard disk na yun. Right? So, sabihin ko 4 gig, parang hindi yun. 4 gig lang kasi mga hard disk. Pag kaya 4 gig, laki na nun. So, bago yun laki, so hard disk. But now, so as you can see, so 4 gig is just the capacity, and memory capacity, storage capacity of just a flash disk that we could bring anywhere. So ang lagi mo lang din sa bulsa mo. Diba? So you could have that. So maybe by next few generations again, or next few years, so we could have a phone like that. So because nowadays, so the trending, so in terms of the technology, so we're talking about mobile development, we're talking about cloud computing, we're talking about new technology that we have nowadays, right? So okay, so we have there, we also limited pricing power. So mobile systems are not as powerful as their desktop counterparts. Of course, you could not be able to run there a server